Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Hellsboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I have a cute little haul. Oh my god. Yeah. So for today's video, cute little haul. That's all I can say now. I have a small haul of jewelry, like fashion jewelry. So fun thing for work, I got to go to Milan for Salone del Mobile.
Salone del Mobile.
Basically, it's a huge fair that showcases like different designers, and the whole city of Milan uses their districts and like showcases different brands and other things there as well. It's a nice way to like explore a huge amount of brands and a huge amount of different kinds of designs and designers, artwork, installation, everything like that in this like pretty compact city. So of course, because Milan is known as, you know, one of the fashion capitals of the world, I had to do a little shopping. Not everything that I'm unboxing today is from Milan. One of them I actually did order from Vestiaire Collective because it has not been out for a while, but I saw this piece for a really great price, so I thought I would just snag it and show you guys. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I have a couple of packages. So this is obviously from Gucci, and then this is the thing that I got from Vestiaire Collective. It was just in an envelope with like my address and the person who sent its address like huge on the side, so I was like, let me just take it out of the envelope. So I'm gonna set this to the side for now. I'm gonna you know, jump around so we can get a variation of experiences. Okay, but yeah, so of course it came in this cute little Gucci shopping bag. If you've ever bought anything from Gucci or you've seen anyone, you know it's that, like, I think it's a really pretty like damask pattern, a little twisted polyester, I'm assuming, kind of cable type rope, and then the Gucci name? My brain is dumb. Listen, when you go somewhere for work, you are not just having fun, you are like going. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show is this little guy. Let's start with this. I actually have a video about it. I'll link it in the corner, but of course, you know, we love luxury packaging here. It's always done so nicely and perfectly. But yeah, so it's just a tiny little box. You can probably guess what it is because the box is so small. But then it came with this beautiful, like a loosely woven cotton ribbon with Gucci printed on it. So let's do it. Nice. Okay, I'm saving that. So you just take this off, and look at that. Okay. So then what I love is there's like a little ribbon for you to pull it out, and then you can just... So the little ribbon that you pull out, and you can just grab it, so you don't have to like dig your finger into the corner of the box or whatever. I'm not gonna admit anything happened. So it came in this like, I don't know, is this like linen or like a muslin kind of a little package deal kind of thing? But then I love that it has this like long flap. I don't know, I like it. And then, oh wow, it's just a small pair of studs. But I was really excited to get these because like once my piercings are healed, I wanted to have something simple enough that I could just wear, and I could wear to the office and not feel like I'm like showing off by wearing luxury. Yeah, I love this set of earrings because of course they're different. I love stuff that doesn't match, but it's this almost like cylindrical with like lines like carved in, and then the Gucci logo, and then this other one is a sphere with the same lines carved in but the Sans logo, which is really fun. And I think what's interesting for me is that on the back side there's two little like auxiliary cable looking things, two little it's like little bullets or something. You know, the regular earring backs where you don't necessarily want people to see it. I think this is a interesting way to have that kind of like closure for an earring. So I don't know, I love that. And I love that it comes in like this sturdy, I don't know what it is, like maybe it's plastic or whatever, but it's wrapped in this lovely like muslin-y, like linen-y fabric. And then, you just slip it back into the holder when you're not using it. Yeah, so that was the first thing. Let's move on to what I got from Vestiaire Collective. So I forget the year, but in the year
2012,
when Ricardo Tisci worked for Givenchy, he had these like insane pieces, like giant nose rings and these like horned earrings that looked like you gauged your ear. I thought it was so interesting. I think I was like either still like working 2 jobs or still in school or something like that, depending on what the year is. I, of course, could not afford it. So then, Vestiaire Collective, you can make little, like, alerts. I saw these, and I saw that they were actually for a pretty good deal. So even though these aren't, like, the ones that I want in the end, I was like, oh, let me at least, like, get this pair so that I can, like, try it on, see if it is for me, if I need to spend X amount of money on it. It's just bubble wrap. It was really exciting to see this for such a decent price. Okay, and then it's literally just in tissue paper. So it is these horn earrings. So these are actually magnetic, so like that. And it is, they're quite beautiful, I think. These ones are the wooden ones, which is, like I said, these aren't my first choice, but then I do love there's a little bit of sparkle on that. So I can wear these ones. I couldn't show off the earrings because these are still healing, but the idea is you either like, oh god, I would put them like over the piercing holes or like put them somewhere like that. Or I also saw someone wearing them like this, which looks insane, but I'm kind of into it. I don't know like how viable it is as like an actual like way to wear something. I know it looks insane. I don't think honestly that I got these to wear often or really at all. I just wanted like a little piece of like, oh yeah, like I appreciated that, so I want to have like a little piece of it. And the fact that they were so affordable, I wouldn't feel guilty if I only wore these like a few times. But it gives that kind of like gauged piercing feeling and not having to because it's magnetic. All right, so that's enough for this insanity, which I mean is like fine. I don't know, I do think these are like really fun. I might try wearing them and see if I do want to get one of the more expensive ones I've seen, but that's a problem for me later. There's still one in here. If you've seen my recent, like, my Q2, like, second quarter wish list, this definitely was on there, so I'll link it up in the corner. So you might actually already know what this is, since you know it's jewelry, you know it's from Gucci. And I think there was only like a few pieces from there that I talked about. Here we go. This is a piece from Gucci Love Parade, and when I saw it, I immediately fell in love with them. I was like, these are the most idiotic, stupid things I've ever seen in my life. And then I, of course, like, because it was so stupid, I knew I had to have it. Pretty simple this time. It's, because it's fashion jewelry, it just comes with like a little dust bag, which is fine. Just open it up. Okay, you guys ready? I got the little nose ring with the 2 balls. When I saw it on the model, I was just like, oh, that looks uncomfortable. It looks like it like maybe slightly impairs your vision. And like, I love a difficult piece, so I was like, this is immediately for me. They did have a version where it was this piece and then it had connected chains that went to earrings. I actually considered it until I looked at the earring backs and it's just a clip-on, and that's not really for me. Like, I got piercings so that I didn't have to wear like clip-ons. At least for me, clip-ons are like super uncomfortable. Anyways, I'm gonna try it on. Oh my god, I'm just showing you guys basically me picking my nose, so, you know, that's really fun. Oh. Ta-da! I love it. Yeah, so like, as I'm wearing it, I can like definitely see there's like something there. It's like a little shine. I love it. I feel ridiculous. You know, I have that like Gucci nose ring with like the dangly bit that like covers your mouth, which is also very stupid. But this is stupid in a very different way. It's like instead of going down, it goes up, which I think is very unnatural for like face jewelry. One thing I did want to note, just noticing it now, is that like for it to like feel secure, these these balls gotta pinch your face. No, but really the balls are like pinching the bridge of my nose. I mean, that is pretty stable as well, but I feel like this is probably a piece that you need to like adjust as the night goes on. Like you need to keep like pushing it back, but that's also fine. Like I said, I love a difficult piece, and this is a difficult piece for sure. At least when I'm like drinking or eating, I don't have to like lift up the dangly bit to eat. I'm in love with it. I don't even really know what it looks like on me. I like tried it on in the store. I was like, sure, yes, I'm getting it. So this is like a luxury piece of fashion jewelry, but like it's not even the branding that I think is the most like outstanding thing. Of course, like it never should be, at least in my opinion. But it does have Gucci branded on the little balls, which I think is funny, but like that's not, I mean, people are gonna be looking at the balls. You won't look at your balls sometimes, but like in this case, it's like they're probably looking at the whole thing like, what the heck is happening here? But yeah, okay. I'm gonna take this off. Oh. So that was my unboxing slash like little mini haul of all this jewelry that I got from Milan slash the internet. Let me know, what do you think? Do you guys like these pieces? Do you think, I mean, they're all kind of dumb except for like the studs from Gucci, but like, do you think I'm really good at wasting my money? Do you think that, you know, you actually like the freaky nose ring thing? I'd love to hear from you guys. But that's it from me today. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time,